Good evening, my name is Arnaud, Chef Arnaud. I'm the chef of the Normandie restaurant in Bangkok at the Mandarin Oriental. I'm chef of Le Normandie since 6 years now, and I'm quite humbled to have to be in charge of this restaurant, which has a long history. This restaurant has been one of the first fine dining in Southeast Asia, and I take over in 2012 after a long list of guest chefs who come often at this restaurant. It's a really honor to be chef here, and I try every day to show my skill about French cuisine, because it's a French restaurant. We are on contemporary side of French cuisine, and we source most of our ingredients from France, 90%. And I really base on organic products, sustainable fish and meat. This is my concern actually with all what happened in the world. I'm very, very proud. You know, we have a beautiful restaurant there, iconic restaurant like the hotel, and we try to do our best every day for the guests and also for the history of this restaurant.